Hello! Welcome to the unboxing video of your Buck Commander Series 2x8x36 Command X Reticle Rifle Scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 94579. It has a 2x8 magnification. It has a 36mm objective diameter. It does come in a matte black finish, and it has a Command X reticle. Your field of view is 44.1 to 11.3 feet at 100 yards, and your eye relief is 3.5 inches. The click value is 1/4 inch at 100 yards. And we'll open it up and take a closer look at the scope. It does come with a lens cleaning cloth. It also comes with your manufacturer warranty and registration information. It comes with your manufacturer instruction booklet and also a Command X reticle instruction and specification sheet. Your scope does come with a set of scope covers, and it does have the Buck Commander logo on the ends of the scope covers. It is a matte black finish. It is a 1-inch tube. Your windage and elevation knobs again are 1/4 inch click value, and they are easy to reset to 0, finger adjustable. It does feature fully multi-coated lenses. It does have a scratch resistant exterior lens. It is a one-piece tube construction, and it is fog proof, shock proof, and waterproof. Again, your reticle is a Command X reticle. And again, this has been the unboxing video for your Buck Commander Series 2x8x36 Command X Reticle Rifle Scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 94579.